Hello and welcome back to Digging Life's YouTube channel if you've been here before, and if you're new, welcome to the channel. So this today is the SINOSMART 8GB 128GB head unit, multimedia unit. It's got the car Apple Play as standard, so we'll just make a phone call first of all to test the sound quality.
Hi.
Hello Luca, you're on the YouTube channel just testing the SINOSMART head unit. How do I sound on the microphone?
Yeah, sounds good. It sounds like you're just using a normal phone. There's no difference.
Right, excellent. Okay, thank you very much for your feedback, and I shall speak to you later.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, so that was the phone with a microphone, the standard microphone. I've not had to hook up the one that comes in the package. There's no need because the quality's just as good as you heard from my son Luca. So that is your Apple CarPlay. Obviously you've got all your same settings on your phone. That's what here. So you've got this sat nav Waze. So I've not got the location services turned on my phone at the moment. So I will use the car one. So we shall come off Apple CarPlay. As you can see, you got your maps and everything. So we'll come off the Apple CarPlay and go to the home screen. So this is the Android home screen at the moment. So let me see, Waze. Okay, so it's all new to me as well because I'm an Apple person and Android's a little bit different. So this is the app Waze. As you can see, this is where we are right now. Very responsive touchscreen. It's the 2K screen on this one, so you've got all your up-to-date traffic on here. As you can see, it's a bit red up there. That's a bit of traffic over there. You put your navigation wherever you want to go there, or you can speak to it and tell them the info. So that's your Waze. You've got your Bluetooth option down here, so you can connect to your phone. As you can see, it's connected to my phone already. These buttons down here, you can actually move these within the menu settings. You can have them up here, or across the top, but I think down the bottom is pretty good. So you've also got your DAB Plus radio. The sound quality is absolutely fantastic. It's far better than the I won't play that too much because copyright and it'll get blocked. But yeah, the sound quality is far better than the standard one. As you can see, you've got you got Heart 80s, Heart 90s, Heart Dance, Kiss, loads and loads, LBC. You got tons and tons and tons of them. All you're spoilt for choice, really. Wow. In fact, it's picked up more. It's picked up more than what my original head unit has. That's absolutely amazing, actually. So yeah, and you've also got like I say, you've got a full multimedia player on here. So let's see, what have I downloaded? So yeah, you've got BBC iPlayer, so you can watch a bit of that. YouTube, you can watch a bit of YouTube if you want. This is my YouTube channel. There we go. Let's have a look. Yeah, you can accept all that. There we go. That's my YouTube channel. And here we go. So yeah, there's my videos here. Let's have a look. View channel. So this is my YouTube channel, and like I say, it's absolutely brilliant. I'll play a little bit of this for you. So this is the Disney Dream ship that I went on. This is the sailing from Southampton to Bilbao. You can make it bigger as well, the screen. And if you look behind us, we are currently in port, and this took 2 days to get here. The weather is yeah, like I say, that's enough of that. So yeah, we've tested the phone, you've seen the radio, you've seen YouTube, and of course, as you've seen me turning the volume up, the steering wheel controls do still work. That's your volume, and you can skip onto your different radio stations on your DAB. So if I just tap on here, there you go, it goes right the way to the end. Art 90s, Art 80s. So yeah, oh, let's turn that down. Don't want copyright again, sorry about that. Your navigation you've seen, and of course one of the most important things that everyone asks about is the reversing camera. And yes, as you can see, it all still works. Absolutely blown away with this bit of kit. Absolutely brilliant. AliExpress and the SINOSMART shop you want to go on, you can message the guys there. Absolutely fantastic service, very easy, plug and play. Although I did forget to plug one of the plugs in at the back and my steering wheel controls weren't working, but that's my own fault for trying to fit the radio in the dark. Any questions or comments, please drop a note below. I'll get back to you pretty much instantly. And any questions and comments, straight to the SINOSMART guys. Thumbs up to them. This is absolutely fantastic. Thanks for watching, guys, and catch you again soon. Please like and subscribe.